Hey, what's up, you guys? Chef Billy Parisi here from billyparisi.com, and today we're going to continue on in our detox series, and we're going to make a delicious detox chicken soup with kale and cannellini beans in partnership with Bob's Red Mill. I'm going to be using Bob's Red Mill cannellini beans. These are awesome beans, creamy texture, slightly nutty, loaded with flavor. They're going to be amazing in this soup, but we need to soak them so they sort of loosen up a little bit and soften up. Go ahead and add them to a large container. Next, once they're all poured in, go ahead and head over to the sink because we're going to fill it up with cold water about 6 inches or so over the beans. And now we simply let them sit all night long. I already know what you're saying, dude, I don't have time for that. I definitely need to go quicker. So here's a really quick old school trick that I learned way back in the day. Go ahead and add some beans to a container. Next, hit it with some boiling water and cover it about 6 inches over the beans. And in 1 hour, boom, you've got those softened up beans and we are good to go. Go ahead and set those beans to the side. And now I've got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. What we're gonna do here is season them on all sides with a little bit of sea salt. Next, with some cracked black pepper. Be sure to season well. Head over to your cooktop with a very large pot. You know me, I cook for 4,423 people every time I make soup. Add in some oil. Next, we wanna sear these chicken breasts on medium-low heat. We wanna get a nice brown on them and cook them all the way through. So after about 8 to 10 minutes or so, go ahead and flip the chicken over. This is great time because what we wanna do now is start on our prep. So go to your cutting board. We are going to cut the ends off some onions, cut them in half, and then small dice them. The next thing we want to do is peel some carrots. And again, like the onions, small dice those as well. Go ahead next and small dice up a few ribs of celery. And because I'm lazy bones, I'm going to be using a garlic press, and we are going to finely mince or press about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Go ahead and add those all together in a bowl. Now we've got some cremini mushrooms. You could absolutely use domestic mushrooms or any other type of mushrooms that you love. We just want to sort of cut these into little wedges. So go ahead and slice them in half and then slice them again into little wedges. And then one of the last vegetables we have is a butternut squash. I like to remove the top part first and then peel it using a knife because the peeling on this thing is incredibly thick. You cannot do it with a normal vegetable peeler. Just sort of run your knife down the side, turn it, run it down the side again. And then for these, I want to medium dice them. Go ahead and add that to the bowl with all of those vegetables. Go back over to that pot. You can see that the chicken breasts are finished. We want to remove them, set them aside on a plate. Now go ahead and pour in all those amazing vegetables that we sliced up. We want to cook these for about 10 to 12 minutes, give it a few stirs. We want to get a very light brown on them, almost just like sweating the vegetables to cook them down a little bit. Now at this point, we're going to add in our chicken, the drained Bob's Red Mill cannellini beans that we soaked overnight. Next, we're going to hit it with some chicken stock. Make sure to cover everything. And what we want to do is let this cook over low heat for about 60 to 90 minutes or until the chicken is incredibly tender and we can shred it apart with ease. There's only one thing you can really do while your chicken is cooking. So head back over to your cutting board and I've got 2 bunches of beautiful fresh kale. I like to thinly slice this up julienne, or if you like it in bigger chunks, you can absolutely do that. But go ahead and thinly slice it. We're going to set it to the side and go hang out until our soup is finished. Boom, you guys, the soup is done. It smells glorious up in this kitchen. Cannot wait to try this. Can't wait for you guys to try it as well. So to finish off this soup, take the chicken breast out and then using 2 forks, we're gonna shred it apart. Think barbecue up in here right now. Shred it apart so it's nice and shredded. Add it back to the chicken soup. Now what we wanna do is finish it off with some fresh thyme. And of course, we're gonna season it up with some sea salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. It's done. Now it's time to serve it up. Head back over to wherever your bowl is We're gonna pour a nice big old scoop of this soup in there. And then I like to add the kale at the very end. Now let's talk here for a second. I don't like wilted brown kale. I like it to be crisp. I like it to be green. That's how all the nutrients are in there. So I like to finish it off in the end, sort of like a single serving. So if you were serving a family of 4, you would just sprinkle in a little bit at the end, serve it up, boom, everyone's happy. The nutrients are still there. The soup is done. Let's try it out. The soup looks absolutely incredible. Like I said earlier, it smells just bomb up in here. Cannot wait to eat it. I even have people walking by like, dude, it smells crazy. Now, what are you making? Yeah, just detox chicken soup. Let's for sure try it out, see how it is. Whoa. The thyme complements those vegetables, the squash, the kale, the beans, the chicken. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm not wasting any more time. Come back next week, see what detox recipe I'm gonna do. I think it's gonna be a salad, I don't know. Stay tuned, we'll catch y'all later.